All right. Hopefully we've got my actual real mic working now. What are we doing? We are listing all network connections in Linux. That's what we're doing. All right. So first, I guess we need to connect to Linux. We just got I'll connect to my server from command prompt. Just go SSH and then the server name. All right. We are connected to the server. So we want to list all network connections and see what is connected to this server to see what it's doing, basically. Got my list. Where is my list, actually? List all network connections with netstat A. Netstat-A. If you don't have netstat, you can always go sudo apt install netstat. And this will show us all of the connections to our server, which is a lot. Man. So we have so many that we actually need to do a summary of the connections. So we can use SS for that, SS-summary. And that should give us more of a connection, kind of how many are connected. Total 284. 125 established and close 145. And then 145 are actually waiting for something, which is probably annoying. So now if we want to see all the connections that are still established, we can do a netstat with a -an and then a pipe, and then we can grep it through established. So that just grabs that previous list and shows us all the established connections, which is quite a lot. So this is the server IP, and it's connected on 443, which is the web port usually. And these are the destination IPs. 124, 112. There's no like real common ones. They all seem to be quite... We usually kind of count the IP addresses, don't we? 47, 128. So these ones are quite common. So we could block this whole range because they seem to be bots. So we'll just see where these are coming from. Grab one of these, chuck it over here. I can't see that one. Let's move this over a bit and move this over here. Yeah, so these are all coming from, Singapore. I don't know why, but Singapore seems to be smashing me at the moment. All these 47, 128, 34s. Weird. 47, 128 gets blocked a whole lot, I think. I do have a script on there, I think, to block these too. Anything with 47, 128 on it. Let's just have a look. Yeah, it's weird because I already have a block for these 47, 128s. And they're still connecting anyway, so I think I have to put some nginx block in there to block them. I don't know why they're connected. Probably some AI thing. Seems to be just smashing everything at the moment. I don't know. Annoying.